Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. In this video we are going to end our story written by Oscar Wilde, The Model Millionaire. Till now we have read that how Hughie Eskin's journey started from an unsuccessful businessman or unemployed guys. Now the incident takes place and he donates some money to the richest person of the Europe, and what this donation affects on the heart of Baron Hesburgh, who was in the form of a beggar in the studio of his friend Alan Trevor. Now we should have some summary of the whole story or the Oscar Wilde's introduction. So Hughie Eskin is now completely feeling ashamed that what he has done with the richest person of the Europe, and he just walked away to the home. And next morning he gets a card from his servants, and he did not open it and just guessed that certainly it will be a message from Baron Hesburgh that he should apologize to him. Then he asked his servant to bring inside the visitors who was waiting outside. Now what happened? Now the visitors has come inside and saying, "I have come from Baron Hesburgh," he continued. The next servant just speak a line, "I am from Baron Hesburgh," means Baron Hesburgh sent me here to give you some message. The Baron, Hughie Eskin listen the name and guess again. "I beg, sir, that you will offer him my sincerest apology," screamed Hughie. Now Hughie is just hesitated and saying that, "Say my sincere sorry to Baron Hesburgh, sir. I did all that things in just innocence. So I beg, sir, that you will offer my sincere apology," screamed Hughie. Hughie again gave a message to Baron Hesburgh's servants that please forward my sorry to apologize, sorry and sincerest apologies to Mr. Baron Hesburgh. "The Baron," said the old gentleman with a smile. "He commissioned me to bring you this letter, and he extended a sealed envelope." Now the Baron Hesburgh's servant is saying that, "You are apologizing, but he sent me with some advance money," means he particularly sent me with a special purpose. "The Baron," said the old gentleman with a smile, "the Baron has commissioned me to bring you this letter," means Baron has given me some money to bring this letter to you, and he extended a sealed envelope. On the outside was written, on the envelope some words were written. What was? "A wedding present to Hughie Eskin and Laura Merton from an old beggar," and inside was a check of £10,000. Now the all matter is clear that in exchange of a donation, just sovereign and some copper coins, old beggar sent Hughie Eskin's £10,000 check with the lines that it is your wedding present. When they are married, Alan Trevor was the best man because he told everything about Hughie Eskin to that beggar. And the Baron made a speech at wedding breakfast. Millionaire models," remarked Alan. Alan remarked that millionaires are model, maybe, are rare enough, but by Jove, model millionaire are rare still. Means both the things are similar. Millionaire models may be fine, means some are models who just acted like a millionaire we can have, but in reality model millionaire means model in millionaires are still rare now. So it is the main sense or main moral of this main sense of the story, that more millionaire is not millionaire till then he does not have, or anyone does not have the good position of good spirit. So if a poor person or a normal person have good heart, true feelings for other, good feelings for other, he can be a millionaire. So this is our story ends here. It was very interesting story, and some irony also used in this. So thank you for watching. In the next video we will start our new story.